So this Prof G lecture is going to be germane to what we went through last night, getting here to repair the boat. I'm going to describe to you the two types of fun that have been categorized and thought about and what the difference is between them. And you'll understand how it involves what we went through to get here. So I have a sister. I actually have 4 sisters. And one time she said to me, Gerard, you like type 2 fun. I'm a little worried this sister is smarter than me, so I don't really want to call her out. But and I was like, what is type 2 fun? She's like, well, type 1 fun is the type that you know. You're having fun, you're laughing, it's a good time, and you just say, oh, that was fun. I had fun last night. Type 2 fun is the kind of fun that you look back on. So it's not necessarily fun in the moment, but you look back on it and you go, wow, that was fun. Childbirth, painful, but maybe fun when you look back. Women keep having children. We don't know why. It's awful, right? Climbing a mountain. I had a buddy and we just decided to climb this 14,000 foot peak, not on any trail. We mountain biked in as far as we could, and then we just started hiking up the mountain. We were so dead tired by the time we got to the top and finally got back down. And we were like, this is awful. We never do this again. The next day we were like, we want to do that again? Yes, we did. So we did it again. So last night, what happened, right? We're going through 30, 40 knots of wind, rain coming sideways. You know, we're going to look back on that and say that was great. Some of us turned type 2 fun into type 1 fun when I got up this morning and people were singing Christmas songs with wind whipping by, rain coming sideways. They thought it was snow and 10-foot seas making the boat go like this. So I like the fact that you guys can take type 2 fun and turn it into type 1
That's what
fun.
we're here for.
So those are the two types of fun. Easy to think about, but I think type 1 fun, like running marathons, doing an Ironman, that type of stuff is something you don't think about but in the moment, but later on you think, that was great, I want to do that again. So 2 types of fun.
Hi? Oh, wow. Oh yeah, look at that.